Hi everyone, Victor here. How's everybody doing? It's been a long time since I posted a video, so I decided to record one now just to show something that I was working this weekend. So do you guys remember Flash? Flash was a cool software to make animations based on keyframes. You can have, for instance, a circle over here at frame 0, and you drag the circle over here on frame, I don't know, frame 10, and the software would interpolate the circle for you, the movement from the circle, right? It was kind of cool. So I was kind of fiddling with that this weekend. So here's what I got. Look at this cool animation that I made. Okay, here it comes. Boom. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Yeah, nothing very exciting right now, but it's a start. On my prototypes, works like that. I just get something basic working first, and then I go building from that. So it's very easy to animate using this. I've been calling it Web Flash. So it's very easy to create things on it. Let me hide the first circle. Let me show, because it's easier that way. Okay, so we have here this circle, which I named Circle 2. So Circle 2 is a new element. It has a name, a position, a size, and a color, right? So I created the circle at X position 100 and then Y position 150, and it's a circle of 50 pixels in diameter. Let me comment this out first. Okay, so yeah, a circle that does nothing, right? But as I was talking to you guys, we can define some frames and some properties. So the software would animate that circle for us. So let's manually, in the frames property of Circle 2, let's add another property, right? So at the frame 50, okay, the new position is 200 on X and 150 on Y. The size is 70, and the color, I don't know, let's turn it to red, right? And alpha to, I don't know, half. So let's see it again. The original position is this, and at the frame 50, the new position will be this. The old color is, the old size was 50, and the new size would be 70, and the old color is this, I don't know, grayish tone with the alpha value of 1, or I mean 100% opaque. Opaque? Yes, opaque. The contrary of opaque is translucid, which is the case here. So yeah, let's see what it does. Cool. Let's move it to the end of the screen, to the half of the height. Yeah, it's very fast, right? So what if we don't want to move that fast? Just increase the frames. Do you guys understand this? Right, it's easy, right? It took it 50 frames to go from here to here. Now it will take 150. Okay, if this animation is running at 30 frames a second, you guys can do the math, right? Cool. If we want slower, just add more frames, right? Slowly. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty cool, right? especially because if we want to continue to animate this, we can just copy this, okay, and paste it here. Let me fix this, and on the frame 300 I want it to go let me see, let me go to the end of the screen and the top. The size could change to 10, and let's change the color to, I don't know, 1 to 5. Let's make a little bit more translucent. So now it comes from here to here. Oh, right? Cool. Yeah, that's it. As you guys can see, the first circle does a lot of more interesting things. Goes from here to here to here to here, and it grows and fades to black. Cool, right? Yeah, it's kind of cool. The code is very elegant for now, since it's on the beginning. As soon as things start to grow, that's when the code becomes messy. For now, it's a very clean code. So why the hell did I call this element? Because this element will be the base of everything in this software, right, in this app. Because in the end, this I would have new objects like circle that implements element, that extends element, and we can have circles, squares, lines, all those primitive shapes, and also text and images and PNGs and that kind of stuff. So we could easily have some text scrolling the screen, or fading in or fading out, that kind of stuff. Also some pictures, I don't know. It's very early stages of development. Yeah, since it was a long time that I recorded the video, I thought about sharing this with you guys. Of course, my next step, it would be to make this animation more user-friendly. So instead of writing the position, you would just drag a circle over here and mark a keyframe. I'm thinking something about, let me open GIMP again. Graphics, GIMP, no, yes, GIMP. Okay, I'm thinking about the user interface, something like you would have here. Let me see if I can draw with GIMP. You would have, not red, let's draw in black. You would have here like your shapes, right? You would have circles and squares and lines and text or pictures, and you would have like a timeline here, right, with the frames. This is frame 0, this is frame 1, this is frame 2. Probably over here some controls like record and play, and I don't know, fast forward and rewind. And over here maybe layers, right? So we could have more complex animations. And let me keep drawing the timeline. So as a user, you would grab the circle and drag over here. So now you have a circle. In the timeline, you would be here, 0. So I need some properties for the circle. When you click the circle, some properties show up here, like the position, pause, position, size, color. Yeah, just those three for now. So let me see if I can write color. Okay, so in frame 0, you would record a keyframe here, and you would advance to, like, I don't know, this frame here, to symbolize this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in frame 8, the circle would be over here, and you would click on record to create a new keyframe for that, and you could change its position, its size, its color. So when you press play, the circle would move from here to here in about 8 frames. So if you want more slow animation, you just drag this keyframe from 8 to, I don't know, like we did in the code, 50. And also the possibility to export this as a movie and an animation, right? Yeah, I don't know, it's just me doodling stuff. Yeah, that's it for me now. I hope you guys like this kind of stuff. This do keep me from, I don't know, man, this kind of stuff help me to relax. I like to program things like this one. So yeah, hope you like it. As soon as I have more stuff, I'll post here. And when I have some more robust code, I upload this to my GitHub page. That's it for me, guys. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.